The Collins Aerospace PRC-162 is a fully integrated two-channel software-defined radio. It offers key features for today's battlespace communications. Dismounted, the radio provides higher transmit power with more capability than legacy radios. In the field, the PRC-162 can run up to 10 hours on a single battery with both channels operating simultaneously. It works with the latest networking waveforms.
I've used this radio with every waveform that it can currently support. I've never had a waveform in an area that I could not communicate with the people that I need to communicate with.
Crossbanding to different waveforms is seamless during retransmission. This happens internally with no external cabling. Simultaneous two-channel operation aligns communications at all levels. The PRC-162 produces 20 watts of transmit power. This gives the radio superior range for both channels, running on any waveform. No external power amplifiers and no extra filtering result in space, weight, and cost savings. Open architecture radio interfaces allow non-proprietary commercial off-the-shelf technology. This adds cost efficiencies with optimal interchanges and portability. With the PRC-162, your forces will have the critical communication links they need, no matter where the fight takes them.